Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Express Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black. It looks fantastic. You got that Ram badging up front there with your lights. They are very bright. You got your fog lights down there as well with the black bumper. And then coming around the side, we do have our Goodyear brand tires with our 20-inch rims. Lots of tread left on them. They look great. You got those running boards along the bottom. And you do also have your heated exterior mirrors. Coming around to the back, we got a 6-foot box right back here. You do have the black bumper back here as well with the dual exhaust pipes. You can open this guy up. Lots of room back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and it looks very nice. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock on our panic button up there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle right here, another handle here, and some storage down here. It does look awesome in here as well. Very spacious and very comfortable seats as well. You do have the controls over the lights, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your fog lights and in-cabin light control there. And then up here we have the controls of the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now we do need a little bit of gas, but it does also only have 8,400 kilometers. That is pretty much nothing. Now you can switch that around in the middle from your speedometer to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off as well. Now that is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Gear shift is hanging out right here. And over here we do have our 5-inch touchscreen display. So you got your AM and your FM as well as your Sirius XM. You got your media tab here if we have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Phone options right here. Your compass up here with your settings and your more. Volume up and down with your mute, screen off, back button, and tuner and browser. Then down here we do have the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then over here we do have our climate control, so the power up and down with the circulation, our temperature control with the AC, our hazard lights, and then our defrost and the mode. Then you do have your traction control and tow and haul mode there with some storage here, some more storage right here. And then in the center you got 3 cup holders with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders there and aux cord and USB plug-in. Can also lift this guy up and you have another seat underneath there, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then over here you do have your top and bottom layers for your glove boxes. Lots and lots of room. And up top you do also have some lights. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, and a handle here. Looks fantastic back here as well. Very spacious and the same material as the front. You can fold these guys up and you got some storage right underneath there, as well as you got your cup holders just over there. There's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 Express. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.